Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to log into Interlinc Mortgage account online. To access your Interlinc Mortgage account, you will need to first follow these steps shown in the video. So let's get started. Launch open your preferred web browser of your choice. Go to the URL box at the top and type in interlinkmortgage.com and press enter on your keyboard. Doing this will take you to the official website for Interlinc Mortgage. In order to access your mortgage account, you will need to click on the Make Payment button at the top of the screen. In the login page, type in your username and password associated with your Serve Bank account. If you're new to Serve Bank, you will first need to create a new account for Serve Bank. Click on the Register button and follow through the instructions and open up an online banking account first. Once you've created an account, you will need to type in your username and then your account's password to get access to your account to manage your mortgage. After entering your username and password, click on Login, and this will then log you in to your Serve Bank online banking account from where you can manage your mortgage account for Interlinc. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.